Welcome to Hands-on IT, 100 examples. This is video number 12. I will show you how to prevent non-admin regular users from joining computer to the domain. It's a simple video, pretty short, but it's a pretty important topic. At some point in your career, you're going to have to deal with this issue. You prevent users from joining domain computers on the domain. So open Active Directory users and computers. Make sure the view is set to advanced so you can see all the options. Right click on the domain, go to properties, and then go to attribute editor. So in here, you're looking for the attribute called machine account quota. By default, it's set to 10. Go ahead and change it to 0. This will disallow non-admin users from joining computer to the domain. Okay, let's switch to fresh install of Windows 11. This is the first checkpoint. It's not joined to any domain. It's just a fresh install. I believe he was virtualized. So you still have to set the DNS to point to the server, and you may or may not need to rename. It's up to you. But we will test if I'm able to join the domain as a regular user. The IP of my domain controller is 192.168.1.199. It's the same IP for the DNS server. Let me boot to my Windows 11 first. Okay, it's fresh install. Okay, first thing I have to do, just make sure DNS is set to my 1.199 server, otherwise I won't be able to reach the domain. Yeah, while I'm here, might as well I change it to private network. This will affect my firewall profile. I'm changing from DHCP, that's my home network, so by default the DHCP and DNS is set to my ISP router. I want to change it to point to my domain controller. And let's see if I'm able to join the domain now. System, domain, join domain workgroup. Now the name Nazium.com will be translated by DNS on the same server. Domain controller, yep, I got the pop-up. Now I'm going to try to join as user-regular, which is non-admin domain user. I can't. I get this error message. You can read it. That means I can't join as a regular user, but let's see if I can join as an admin. Maybe I can't join at all. We'll see. I can, so everything is fine. That's basically how you prevent users from joining, non-admin users from joining the computer. This is very important because there may be a situation when someone who has an account brings the home laptop and joins it to the domain. I'm not sure. This may or may not be important, but now you know how to do it. That's about it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.